On a cool September morning in the fall of 2003, a crier from Jerusalem brought the news to me. His words were sharp and pretty, and they made a lonesome sound. They snapped my heart in two like a stick stepped on the ground. Well, I cried and cried and cried of the cutting of the pain, and I quietly said goodbye, so long in Jesus' name. Dark bird, watch you fly, dark bird to another sky. And I'll bet you were a sight when you hit that cloud of love and flew out the other side in the form of a dove. Dark bird, dark bird. "6'1" and a box of steel and a pretty coat. Well, I watched the world watch themselves watch her finally, and I couldn't help but notice when we laid you in the earth. A train went by, headed north for whatever it is worth. Your voice echoes in the wind, you rumble through the trees. But after you've been everywhere, I guess it's time to leave. Dark bird, watch you fly, dark bird to another sky. And I'll bet you were a sight when you hit that cloud of love and flew out the other side in the form of a dove. Dark bird,